Hello people, welcome again to Assisting All. So in this video we'll discuss about off-campus drive of EY, that is Ernst and Young. We'll discuss about the registration process, the technical requirements, the skill set requirement and the job description as well. So without any further ado, let's quickly hop on to the registration process. Okay, so EY, that is Ernst and Young, it is conducting its off-campus drive for 2021 batch for the role of analyst. Now let us quickly look on all the things. Job role, it is analyst consulting roles. Qualification, BE, BTech and BCA students can apply. Batch 2021, that is, it is specific only for 2021 batch. CTC is 4.25. Job location across India. Pan India, you can get any location. Last date, they have not mentioned any last date, so please fill up this form as soon as possible. So these are the technical skill requirements. Students should be of BE, BTech or BCA, and BTech to be specific, they should only be from CS or IT branch. No other branch is can apply for this. Uh, the student should have good academics track record, ability to solve complex problems and develop solutions, ambition to build the tech skill set, growth mindset to become the leader you want to be, ability to work within deadlines by multitasking and managing priorities. Student should be a quick learner. So the skills are good written and verbal communication skill, excellent teamwork skills, all of those. I'll provide the link in the description. Now let us quickly look how the form looks like. So this is the form. You have to enter your first name, your middle name if you have any, then your last name, your email ID. Please fill this form very carefully. Your mobile number, your college unique ID, roll number, registration number, whatever you have, you can write here. Your gender, your home location, give your address, role applied for. Yes. So what is the role that you are applying for? They have given you 5 options, and whichever role you are interested in, you can apply for that role. They have provided a PDF for the role job description. For every job description, they have provided this PDF. Go through this PDF very carefully and then select your choice for which role you want to apply. Okay. Then your matriculation board, your CGPA, your year of passing, same thing for 12th as well. Then your graduation college name, degree, stream, CGPA. If you have any technical internship experience, then you can say yes, and then the details of your internship. Then you have to upload your CV and then submit. Be very careful while filling these forms, because if you do anything wrong, your application would not be accepted. Okay, and please fill this form as soon as possible, because they have not given any deadline. They might stop accepting applications any day. So just fill the form as soon as possible. I'll be providing the link in description. Also, I'll be posting more off-campus drives for 2021 batches in another videos. And if you are yet to subscribe Assisting All, please do subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video with all of your friends so that they can also apply for this off-campus drive. And I'll be posting more off-campus drives link and videos in the coming videos. So please do press the bell icon too, so that you can get the notification whenever I upload the video, and you can quickly apply for the off-campus drives. And thank you for watching.